Leading successful teams is a critical skill set of a leader or supervisor. Organizations around the globe utilize teams to fulfill critical business activities. A good leader can instill vision within their team, alignment to goals, and prioritize important information for the team's success. At the end of this course, you will be able to do the following: identify team composition, define the group and stages of group development within the team that you supervise. You'll also learn the importance of team cohesion and creativity. You'll learn about your leadership style and how that impacts teams' functions. We'll go over the main problems that teams face, along with strategies that you can utilize to mitigate those problems. We'll go over ways to evaluate the team and, finally, ways to maintain that success for the future. I'm your instructor, Amber Rose. I have a master's in management with a specialization in human resources. My experience spans the retail and nonprofit industries, and I have years of experience with managing teams in person, remotely, and globally. I look forward to sharing information with you so you can increase your leadership qualities surrounding teams. Let's get started.